Hey guys, and today I'll be teaching you guys how to make strawberry shortcake slime. So let's get started. So here are the ingredients. You'll be needing a bowl, lotion, mixing tool, white glue, hair gel, and baby oil. So first you want to pour in an amount of glue. So this is how much I poured in. You can pour like less or more, doesn't really matter. And then you're just gonna pour some lotion, squirt it out. And then after you put in like the whole bottle in, you're just gonna put some baby oil so that you get that extra gloss, that shine. Just like squeeze a bit in. Next, you're gonna take your hair gel and then you're just gonna put like a bit in. But then you're just gonna mix it, stir it really quickly like what I'm doing in the video. I'm just joking, I fast forwarded this. So just mix it until it gets like really fluffy. And then you're just gonna add the magic in, the activator. I put mine in like a spray bottle so it's like evenly spread. So I'm just gonna squirt it in and then you're gonna mix it. And then there was a piece of hair there, it was gross. Just keep on stirring and make sure you do not over-activate it. If it's still not clumping up, just add a bit more activator. Again, don't over-activate. And then after you're done activating it, it should look like this. Then you're just gonna knead it, play around with it until it's all good. The slime consistency, and then you're gonna take some more baby oil for extra shininess so you can have more of a glossy slime. And then you're just gonna knead that in. After you're done kneading it, just take it out and play with it and smack it. Now you're just gonna add some pink food coloring. And then you're gonna poke it and knead it like normal. And then once it's all added in, your slime will look like this. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. Bye!